Hey everybody, Economic Ninja here. I hope you're doing well. I want to give you some tips. If you're wanting to move out and start your own business, a side hustle, you want to become a real estate agent, or you want to become anything in life that you want to do that your friends and family have never done themselves, I'm going to give you some tips, and that is cut these people out of your life. We're going to go through a handful of them right now. Number one, the first type of person that I want you to cut out of your life, and this isn't financial advice, this is life advice. Cut out the small thinkers. You know, in life, you have people that think usually only that they have accomplished this much, which means you can only accomplish that much. When they think small, they look at you as small, right? Because they think, well, surely if only, if it was that easy to accomplish great things in life, whether it be become a millionaire, become a billionaire, become a real estate agent, become a firefighter, whatever it is, then I would be able to do all that. But the facts are that's not true. Small thinkers think small and stay small. And those are the people, one class of person you do not want in your life, okay? Whether it be family or friends. I'm not saying cut your family and friends out, but you need to be very careful who you share your dreams with, because the reverberation, their reaction coming back to you will cause you, and this has happened to me, to second guess yourself, and now all of a sudden you're totally off track and you're losing that ability to become more successful, all right? Number two, people that I think that you should cut out, the naysayers. You know, this goes along with small thinking. Naysayers are people that have been burnt before, or they just, again, do not think that you could accomplish something that you want to accomplish because they've never accomplished it, even though they've never even set out to do it themselves, okay? Naysayers are people that would just always bring you the negative, all right? Now, with that being said, there are people that are, always optimistic, always positive, and sometimes they fail because they always think that they can accomplish things, right? But they're also learning things. But with the naysayers, people that are so negative, it's like it attaches to you. You sit there and you're around someone, you say something, boy, I'm so excited. I'm looking forward to buying this piece of property, this real estate. And they say, you can't make it happen. You don't have a good enough credit score. Do you even have a good down payment, a big down payment? What happens if something goes wrong? And what happens is all they do is hit you with bad stuff, and you start to doubt yourself, all right? And that's something that doubting yourself can lead to destruction down the road. Now, you could take their negative stuff, put that in a database of information, write it down, and then use that as a checklist to overcome, all right? But don't allow their naysaying, their thoughts about you, because that's how they're looking at themselves in a mirror, affect your decision-making process. It should only make your decision-making process stronger, all right? All right, number three, what about people with no real life experience? This happens all the time, and your family and friends are always guilty of it. People with no real life experience love to talk about things they don't know anything about. If you find people talking to you negatively about something, the first thing I ask, and let's say we'll use the real estate. I had so many people tell me how I was going to fail. You're going to fail. You're not going to be, happy till you lose it all this kind of stuff. And I said, well, do you own rentals right now? No, that's not the point. It is. Have you ever, been in real estate, started a real estate company, owned, been a real estate agent? No, it's not the point. It is. Think about that. People with no experience shouldn't be talking into your life. So those are the kind of conversations I usually steer clear from. But also, those are the people, again, I do not want to put my pearls, cast them before swine. And in this instance, swine are people that would come at you negatively to challenge your dreams. All right, now, number four, and I think this is the most important type of person you need to cut out of the conversation when you're talking about your dreams, your expectations of yourself and what you want to accomplish in your life, whether it be starting a side hustle, starting a full-on business, or a new career path, all right? And that is jealous people. There are so many people in this world that only think of themselves, or they think about themselves more or faster than they think of other people. And to you, being a success to them is like lumping of just a bunch of coals, hot coals on their head. They don't care about your success. As a matter of fact, it only angers them more and more. And one way you can see this is in their reactions, right? And also feedback from other people. I've had many times in my life where who I thought were friends were actually talking trash behind my back, saying how I couldn't accomplish something, I would never be a success, blah, 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 blah. These people are usually cowards. They don't say this straight to your face. They go around the backside. If you ever see that, cut them off completely. That is a dangerous, dangerous person to be around. You ever heard of the comment, loose lips sink ships. It refers to wartime when if a coordinate, a location of a ship was accidentally let out and the enemy got a hold of it, that's how ships were sunk, because they would go and attack them, right? It's the same exact thing when you're dealing with jealous people in your life. I had a couple of friends, very close friends. They only cared about being around people that made them look good or feel good. And these were people that weren't around to help support my vision and dream, be around to help me. Ironically, if they would have, they could have become very wealthy themselves. But those are people that were toxic, and you don't want them around in your life. If you find out that they are out there talking about you behind your back, talking negatively about your goals and your dreams, your aspirations, they need to be gone and say sayonara, because what I say in my life is, for every one friend that leaves, two will take their place. Two better people will take their place. I keep saying that out loud. And even when it feels like it's not happening, I know it's happening, and I'm going to speak it into existence. I know it sounds crazy, but it works. And it also keeps you motivated if you don't got anyone to talk to, because everyone around you is a naysayer or is jealous. Guys, when you're starting a new career, when you're trying something that most people don't, you are going to find opposition. And what I want to show you is how to beat that opposition right in the face, smack it back to where it belongs, and then I want to see you be a success. Guys, I believe in America because I believe in you, and you guys are going to be an amazing success. All right, guys, that being said, I thank you so much for watching. If you want to check out the Side Hustle course, I'll put a coupon link down below. Once they're gone, they're gone. I thank you so much for watching. The Economic Ninja is out.